The Foolish Old Man project is an interactive installation comprising luminous modular lightboxes, video projection, design fiction, and a live performance. It was commissioned by the Bi-City Biennale of Urbanism and Architecture Shenzhen in 2019. I went to high school in Shenzhen. While seeing the central district being built, I always imagined what ancient objects they would dig out from under the ground. The story of the speculative work was inspired by those daydreams and my deep interest in the nomadic fishing communities in the Pearl River Delta region. Based on this idea, we constructed a story in which our contemporary civilization is going to be discovered in the future. We together imagined a world reshaped by the collapse of human social structures under the total managing AI swarm mind. When interpersonal communication becomes super rapid and transparent, the community will become like an ant colony, achieving a swarm-level intelligence through very simple interactions between individuals. The work draws from the ancient Chinese fable of an old man who removes mountains. The two researching teams, Kuae, named after the fable's giant ant gods, are dispatched by Swarm Mind to excavate the ruins of present-day's Futian, the very site where the work was commissioned and exhibited. The installation transforms the fiction into a physical sensory experience. The light boxes distributed across the space are both the swarm algorithm and the prehistoric prototype discovered by the two characters from the site ruins.
惶恐滩头说惶恐，伶仃洋里看伶仃。人生自古谁无死，留取丹心照汗青。
河口两港生赤湾，美不胜收小南山。
少帝遗骸托飞鸟，古寺老僧拾黄袍。天后庙协送棺木，焚香问卜修寺屋。
The poetic audio and documentary footage blend the characters' work logs with layered local histories, including collected dialect archives.
香涼灰、蓮花根、稻香、澳門龍鼓。
Together, they tell a story of a new pair of Eve and Adam, who absorb the cultural memory and gradually awaken, arriving at a feminist sensibility, a recovery of softness and intuition against the purely rational order. Through interacting with lightboxes driven by cellular automata logic, observing projected and performative hints, audiences collaboratively decode tasks through decentralized participation, gradually interpreting both the mechanics of swarm mind and the world building of the fictional narrative.